At StarTech.com, we offer professional handheld testers designed for IT pros who need to monitor, measure, and maintain critical network environments with confidence. Our handheld LAN cable tester and fiber optic cable tester deliver precision, portability, and reliability, essential tools for troubleshooting and validating modern data infrastructure. Both testers feature a bright backlit LCD display for clear readings, auto shutoff to preserve battery life, and compact designs built for daily use in the field. The multifunction LAN cable tester simplifies network troubleshooting. It measures cable length, power over Ethernet output, and wiring continuity with ease. Quickly diagnose crossed wires, shorts, or open circuits, and trace cables in dense environments with the tone probe. Safety is built in with the non-contact voltage detection, identifying AC voltage up to 1000 volts without direct contact. Compatible with Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a and RJ45 cables, it supports PoE and non-PoE devices and can display switch performance characteristics, ideal for on-site network testing and verification. The multifunction fiber optic cable tester provides fast, accurate testing for single-mode and multi-mode fiber connections. Measure optical power, verify light source transmission, or use the red light visual fault locator to pinpoint breaks and bends in the fiber runs. It supports FC, SC, and ST connectors across standard wavelengths from 850 to 1650 nanometers, covering a full range of enterprise and data center testing needs, ensuring uptime and signal integrity. Both testers are backed by a 2-year warranty and have free lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our handheld testers and meters through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.